This is a video on my Traditions 45 caliber black powder Philadelphia Derringer. I was given this years ago. I used to beeswax it, believe it or not. I keep this in a really tight case. Not that it's not especially an accurate or good weapon, that's for sure. But if you had a target that was within 15-20 feet, I'd give you a 75% chance with it. It would definitely scare the poop out of somebody. So you see it's got a rifled barrel, but you're only using about this much barrel. So you got a 2.5-inch barrel, which kind of doesn't give the ball a chance to do really anything by the time you put powder in there. But it would be nice as a close range self-defense weapon. I really like this kit. I think it's from the 90s. I don't know if it was bought this way or if somebody I know did the finish on it, but they did do a really good job. Yeah. I like the trigger. The trigger's really comfortable. But one shot, one chance, pretty much on this baby here. That's the end of this gun candy video for today. Thanks, guys.